Hey sis, check out this awesome dance move I learned.
Wow, Lil Bro. That was a great dance move you did there.
Thanks for that compliment, Unikitty. Let's continue having fun dancing.
Whoa, you guys are having a cool dance party. Can I join you too?
Of course you can, Lil'Petey. There's always enough room for this party.
Alrighty, time to begin dancing.
I can't stand those three having a baby dance party.
Of course. Their dance moves are horrible. It's like they don't have any.
You know what? Let's all go and shut down this dance party.
Alrighty, I'll go for the CD while you guys go after the radio.
Those three will face my teeth. Face it. Face it. Well, yeah.
Huh? Why did the music stop?
It was us fools. You little losers have the worst dance moves in history.
Quit dancing forever and get real jobs.
Mr. Toad and the naughty Troublemakers, we can't believe you ruined our dance party. That was not acceptable at all, especially those insults you did.
That's it. You nine go home at once while we phone your parents about your actions.
As for you, Toad, you're grounded for 5 weeks. Go to your room right now.
What?
Good. The radio still works. I'll put the CD back on and we'll continue our dance party.
Yahoo! We got the best dance moves in our lives.
Of course we do. What a great dance party this is.
This really is a great dance party for sure, Lil'Petey.